Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This way, you can collaborate on the code and edit the code at source. What you need to do once you're in Lovable is choose your project that you want to connect to GitHub. Then, once you're here, you can go to the GitHub icon in the top right-hand corner and sync your project to GitHub. This will allow you to sync your project two-way and you can collaborate at source. So click Connect GitHub. That will then load up the GitHub window where you can then see it in the integrations. Click Connect GitHub. It will then open this pop-up window and prompt you to log into your GitHub account. Enter in your email and password to your GitHub account and click Sign In. Once you've signed in, you just need to go ahead and authorize lovable.dev. Click on that, and then in a second, you will then have connected the two. You can go ahead and then add your workspace in Lovable to a GitHub organization. So click Add Organization, and then click Install and Authorize. And you're authorizing all of the repositories here on lovable.dev. You can select specific repositories if you want to. I'm going to do all. We'll click Install and Authorize. So now that's been added, you can go ahead and toggle this on, and you'll be able to transfer projects in this workspace to your GitHub organization. You can then click Continue and Connect. You've now got a two-way sync, and you can go ahead and clone this into your local environment by using this HTTPS link here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Lovable to GitHub. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.